I started. Okay, started. I started. Share the my screen. Any questions? Any doubts? Sorry, Shyam is not joining. You see my screen, right?
He will join us in five
Yeah.
minutes.
Sanjay, did you try to connect SAP system yesterday? The other system I give.
Yes, sir.
Working, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
See, if you see the screen, right, Sanjay, for you the ID what I have given now, maybe better to take this one VHCLS. You will be having
Okay,
two
sir.
systems in your logon pad.
Okay, sir.
First one is some challenges. This one in some topics. So this is a good
Okay.
one. VHCLS. Maybe you can practice working on this system than this system.
Okay, sir.
Okay. The last class we were talking about the select statements, right? Select statement. Do we have completed select statements, or still some select statements not done? Let me go through it. What is the purpose of the select statements? What is the purpose of select statement? The database. Database tables. This is a web program. Say data. The moment you write a select statement, control will go to database and brings the data back to program. This is the program here. And maybe we will have selection screen here. Selection screen. This will be the output. This is the flow for all the interface in all the report programs, outbound interfaces, smart forms, all this. This is the flow actually. This is the concept of database. Data fetching. This is input screen. No? Selection screen nothing but input screen. No? Okay. This is the program. The data will come from here to here and display the output here. CP database flow. Okay. So you can bring the data from the database tables like this. Either a single field or single record or multiple records. So these are the three possibilities. From the database table to your program, you can bring the data. Single field data, single record data, or multiple records. Okay. What is record means? What is the record? What do you call a record? Record means exactly.
It may be a number.
Transaction
Uh,
maybe.
record is like you can say simply group of fields data. Group of fields data like materials data, employee data, purchase order data, sales order data, right? These are the one record. Right? For example, if I go to here, if I go to here, S11, if I go to VBAK table, click on display. This is sales order data, VBAK, sales document data. Go to here, go to here. This is the data. I mean record, one row. One row means one record. Record means generally group of fields. This is the fields 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the columns, nothing but the fields. Okay. Either you can bring only one field data, means only this data, only this one, or you can bring one row or one record, nothing but, or you can bring all the data, all the records. That is the concept. Okay. So let us go now, write a program. Select statements 20 November 20. Click on create database statements demo program. Think of 1 minute. Suppose you want bring only single field value from the database. What is required? Right? This is the database flow. Copy is not happening. Okay, here this is SAP database. Tables are there here. To bring the data from the above program, you write a select statement. Okay. So think of where you can store the data in the program, in the above program. Think 1 minute and tell me. Because you bring the data, right? Means data has to store to display purpose, right? For example, if I go to here, or even I can go to APS RTC also. The bus reservation. Okay, now Think 1 minute. If I execute, what will happen? This is a bus reservation. I'm searching a bus from Bangalore to Vijayawada, 24th November.
All
What
records.
happen? All the buses data will come, right, from the
Yes.
database. From
Yes.
the database of APSRTC. Okay. And this will display in the output. It will control go to database. This is the flow. Flow is, this is you are asking Bangalore to Vijayawada. Vijayawada. Okay. So you are asking from here to here by buses. Okay. What will do immediately? The control will go to this SAP APSRTC database. This is the program. This is the program here, right? So the moment you ask for the bus details, what it goes the control? Go to APSRTC bus stop. Sorry, bus database. It brings the data where Bangalore bus equal to Bangalore, where buses are running from Bangalore to Vijayawada, and then show you in the output. See the output. Here database tables, APS RTC database tables here. Okay. Here you need a data to be stored inside the program, a web program, right? To bring this data. We call it data objects. There are three types of data objects. What is that? Data objects, nothing but which will store the data in the runtime of a web program. What is those three? Without those three, no ABAP.
Data element.
No, because data element is only data type.
Yeah.
What are the three things in ABAP which will store the data in the runtime of ABAP program? Without that, no ABAP.
Yes.
Variable. What
Okay.
else? One is variable. Other one is work area.
What?
Other one is
Internal table.
correct internal table. Without this, there is no ABAP. Right? This is what the exact concept. Database tables will hold the data permanently. Okay. Whereas this one, data objects, nothing but what you create with the data statement in ABAP program, variable, work area, internal table, it stores the data in it only in the runtime of ABAP program. Means when the program is executing. Because to display the data, you need to hold the data right here. Like this is the output. This is the output. This is the flow. Okay, now if I go to here, suppose if I declare here, what is the meaning of this one? Line number 8. Now what will become your V underscore MATNR? What will become now our V underscore MATNR?
Variable.
Is a variable, right? What is type MATNR meaning? What is this after type you are giving, right? What is it? What is this MATNR here? This is a data element, right? Double click here. Data element. So these properties of data element will come into this field, MATNR. Right? Or I can give also Mara-MATNR. Tell me now what is the difference between these two? If I declare Mara-MATNR or MATNR, what is the difference between these two?
It will go to the table and check it, sir. Mara.
It will go to table Mara. It gets the field properties again back in data element only. If you write like this, what happens is it goes to Mara table. It checks the field name of Matner. It checks what is the data element for that. So this data element properties will come to your variable. Properties means data type, length. This two here. So data element will not store the data. Data element will tell us what type of data should store in that variable. Right now, in v underscore Matner, you can store 18 characters, not 18, I think 40, because in HANA, right? HANA is 40. With this case yeah. Shama, no, right? Okay. Right now, it holds single record, single field value. How to write? Select single MATNR from Mara into v underscore MATNR. What this select statement will do? Think and tell me. Will it bring one record or one field value or multiple records? What this exactly will do line number 10? Think and tell me. Think and tell me line number 10, what exactly it will do?
It is going to bring the single only, sir.
Single field value.
Yeah.
That is the meaning. Single value from the Mara table. Because single is the keyword. Okay. How do you know this select statement is success or failure? How do we know this select statement has bring the data or not? Through programmatically, what statement, what variable you use it, so that you know the data has been fetched. Yes, correct. Sy sub rc. If sy hyphen sub rc equal to 0, then wait statement, one record, not one record here, one field data from Mara has come into variable v underscore MATN. How to display that v underscore MATNR? Comma v underscore MATNR. Check syntax. Think of what is mistake here. What mistake I did?
There is no close for the if statement, sir.
Correct, you're right. And done now. Activate now. Okay. What is line number exact meaning of 10 is go to database. Bring one field MATNR value from Mara, put into your E and B underscore MAT. Now this is the flow. This is the concept. We go back to the concept here is go to here, bring one field data from back to the program. Now we'll put in a breakpoint to analyze it. I'll put a breakpoint line number 10. Stop. Execute. So where is my control currently? Which line number? 10, right? Because I stopped at line number 10. Means here in this block here currently. Yes, goes to here. Now single step. So where is my control now currently? That arrow symbol. In the code, where is the arrow symbol now?
11.
11. So that means it went to the database, it bring back. It has bought already one record. It went from here to here. It has bought one field value to here. This flow is completed. One select statement will flow this journey from here to go to here, bring one field data. Now, SY subversive value is 0 or non-zero. Check in the screen, tell me. In the right side, do you see that SY subversive value? Do you see in the debugger? Zero or not? Zero or
It's a
non-zero?
zero. It's a
Zero.
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 If it is
Why do
one, there is an issue, right? So
no, we cannot say it's a one, no? It is a non-zero.
non-zero.
It could be one, it could be two, three, four, five, six, anything.
Anything apart from zero, it's a
Fail.
non-expected result.
Fail. Means
Okay.
it has not bought at least single record also, it could not bring it from the
Okay.
database. Now you can check it B underscore MATM. Right? One record is brought. Now you're printing this one here. One record, material number 9. Suppose where material type, MTR is one field, right? Material type in the Mara table. Suppose if I give some X, Y, Z, ABC, means some wrong information. I'm trying to get it wrong for wrong input value. I mean, I think it is wrong. Tell me now this select statement will become success or failure. Think and tell me. MTRT is a material type. I'm giving junk A, B, X, Y, Z comparison. What is where purpose? Where class purpose? What is the where class purpose? Is called where class terminology. Where class. Now tell me. Here, right? Here when query is happening inside the program, okay. Bangalore to Vijayawada, I am asking. Buses should come from only Bangalore to Vijayawada or any other buses also should come. Bangalore to Kadapa also should come, will come. When you search here, when you search your APS dot is here, no buses will come only Bangalore to Vijayawada, any other things also will come.
Only Bangalore to Vijayawada.
Only Bangalore to Vijayawada. Why? Why not Bangalore to Kadapa?
Condition.
Correct. Condition. Because you are putting a condition to get only from Bangalore to Vijayawada. So only that only should come. That is the concept of where condition here now. Where condition. If you don't put a where condition, the back end of this website person who has designed this one, what will happen? Suppose he has not put the where condition. Where buses are running from Bangalore to Vijayawada. What will happen? what will happen if the backend ABAP programmer don't give the where condition, where Bangalore buses are available from Bangalore to Vijayawada? This website will bring what buses? What will it do? Think now as
Then
a
it's all
correct. So think in that way. See, whenever we are learning or doing in this IT industry, right? Two types of thinking is required. One thinking is user thinking. User means now, as of now, you are a user here. As of now, when you are seeing this screen, what you are entering, you are a user. Okay. You expect as a user, buses should come from Bangalore to Vijayawada only. Okay. Now you think as a developer, means programmer, back end of this website. What he must have written, where comparison buses available from Bangalore to Hyderabad. If that programmer is forget where condition, no, it brings all the buses, okay, running from in the APS.DC website, because you are not restricting, right? Are getting point here. So they have maintained maybe the data is the data Z APS.DC bus data. Okay, this may be in this APS.DC table, there will be so many buses, right? Maybe hundreds of buses, maybe 200 buses. I'm just telling, or maybe 500 buses. Listen very carefully. The concept I'm explaining how to think. Now, what will happen if you don't apply the where condition in the program? As the ABAP programmer, all the buses will come from running in the APS.RTC. The user will surprise or not? You surprise or not? Suppose if I click here, okay, I don't get only from Bangalore to Vijayawada. I'll get every bus from Bangalore to, I mean, all the buses. Do you surprise it or not? You surprise or not? What is this? Who has done this code? We know, right? You understood, right? Are you getting my point here? Hello?
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes.
This thinking is very important. Back end, what is happening? Because everything is code only. You take every application in day-to-day banking application, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, everything back end is search only. Suppose you search for a YouTube some video. What is the backend code? Backend code is where condition only. This is the concept. Okay, you surprise, right? Suppose you are searching only from Bangalore to Vijayawada buses, but instead of that, if it gives all the buses of APS.RTC, you surprise, right? As a user, what is this? I am looking only for Bangalore to Vijayawada. I don't want other buses. Same thing as a developer, you should think in that way and you should write the code. Now tell me here, okay, what will happen? This select statement will become success or failure. A lot of thinking is required. All these trainings, right? Training is not just to tell what I know. I should make you alert think. That is the training. Okay, third single means one field will come. It will take only 10 minutes for me to complete this topic. But I should make you think of that as a trainer. We should make you as think. Right? This will become failure or success. How to check this one in the database table? Anyone can tell and tell me how to check this line number 10 in the table directly. What I should do? How to check in the database table material type? MDRT means material type. How to check that material type is equal to XYZ is available? Correct or not? Which transaction code? Where you see the data of the table? You should go to Mora table, right? Go to Mora table. Display. Go to MTRT, material type XYZ. Right? How many records are there with the material type equal to XYZ? Hello?
Zero records, sir.
Zero records. Why it is zero records?
XYZ material type not created.
Not there. Correct. Right? So now tell me this select statement will fail or success?
Fail only, no, sir.
Fail. Right? Obviously it should fail, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
what I am trying to explain to you concept. Activate. Execute. Where is my control? Line number 10. Single step. Is fail or success? It is a fail or success. See the code and tell me. SY subversive value. What is SY subversive value?
Mhm.
What is here? You see my cursor position? Movement.
Yes, sir.
What is the value here?
For
What is meaning for? What is meaning of 4?
Failure.
4 means fail.
Hmm.
Not 4 means fail. Non-zero, because 4 is non-zero, right? Fail. What is the fail means? What is the meaning of fail?
No records retrieved.
See, no single record also found for this condition. For example, when you are searching from Bangalore to Vijayawada, if you don't get the data, what is the meaning of that? There is no buses available from Bangalore to Vijayawada, right? Hello? Suppose
yes,
if
sir.
I write Bangalore to my, I'll write my village. This is my village. This is my village, a small village in Kadapa, AP. Now, will it bring any data or not? Think and tell me. Bangalore to my village. My village is a remote village in Andhra. Can I get buses from my Bangalore to my village, Tondal? Hello?
It will get only, no, sir.
Hmm.
It will get only, no.
How it will bring is my village. This is my remote village. Bangalore to my village, not my city. Buses will not be
Oh,
there, right?
okay.
Tondal is one small village. 1,000 people are there. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Select statement will success or fail in the back end.
It will fail only, no, sir.
Fail. When bus will come from Bangalore to Tondal, after I become CMO. Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Maybe at that time the bus they will start a bus. Okay.
sure, they will start, sir.
So till that time the select statement will be going on failing only. Okay.
Oh,
In the database
oh,
of APSRTC, there is no bus information available from Bangalore to Tondal. Got the point, right?
yes, sir.
Concept. Why I'm telling is this database statements is the whole IT industry. You take any IT industry, okay, this database information is backend is this logic only will apply. As I said just now, either bank, okay, or anything you go for YouTube, WhatsApp, everything is this only in the backend. Select statements only. One database will be there, and one programming coding language will be there. With that only the whole concept will run. That's why anybody want to expertise want to come into the IT industry, what they should learn is these two things from the maybe at the early stage. One is one database concepts, how the data stores, what is the table, what is the primary key, what is these foreign keys. Okay. Next one is a programming language, like how you are writing. Now this select statements all is your own program, ABAP programming language. SAP is one programming language. Like this, you have C, C++, Java, right, .NET, all these things. This one programming knowledge is required. And third one is maybe third one also one uh, scripting language. Scripting means how to design the websites and all front end. I think this website is designed with some different programming language of the front end, maybe JavaScript, okay, or HTML like that. Java is different, JavaScript is different. Many people don't know about Java, JavaScript difference. Java is a programming language for the backend. JavaScript is to write, design the skins. In SAP point of view, to design the SAP skins, this one, no, MM01, no. Suppose if you go to /MM0, this skin has been designed by SAP front end. This is a front end. GUI, UI, you call it UI, user interface. Designed by model pool concept, ABAP programming only. Okay, this is GUI based. Many of you, right? Maybe especially Raghu and Chari, you are using the Fiori apps also, right? Maybe Fiori apps is also front end. Fiori apps instead of GUI. So those has been designed by either Fiori. Fiori means again this all JavaScript and these are the concepts they apply. Or maybe now the latest is RAP. That's the concept. Okay, these three areas are very important to know. Okay, now see here. Right, done now. So why nothing is print? Because it has not printed anything. Why? Now if I execute, nothing output will not come anything. Why? Think and tell me. If I execute this program, nothing will come as a output. Because I have not written else part, right? Else by statement. There is no record found for the given material type. This is the concept. Now it will come or not the output. Activate, execute. See, there is no record found for the given material type because this XYZ is not there here. Now think and tell me this line number 13 and 15. No? Instead of writing like this, you can replace with other concept. What is that? Last session we have discussed. Also, I gave you homework. Instead of writing the write statement, there's this text within single quotes. You can replace this hard coding. We call it hard coding. This one. How do you replace?
It's like test elements.
Correct. You are right. In the text elements. How to do that? I'll show you one. Other one you do it as homework. Right. Right. Text 001. Text element. Now you can copy paste this one text element. Copy this. Double click here. Click on S. Click on S. Copy here. Save it. This is the text element you are defining now. Activate. Back. Right. Text 001, comma. V underscore MATNR. check syntax now. Activate now. Right now the data has come through this text has come. Instead of hard coding, I made this way. What is the advantage? Why we go for text elements? Last classes we have discussed. What is the use of that?
Reusability.
Reusability within the program. And one more advantage I told. Text elements are used for reusability within the program, within ABAP program. Also, we can translate the text element text to other language. Okay, I gave us homework in the chat GPT. Sorry, in the chat I placed it. Do it that one. Try yourself. How to translate that one? You see my screen? Okay. This is for one field to bring the data now. Now, what is work area underscore Mara? Now, what is W underscore Mara? W underscore Mara. What is the W underscore Mara exactly? What do you call? It is a table, internal table, work area, variable. What is it? Hello. What is the
Work area.
W underscore?
Work area of type Mara table.
Correct. Correct. Work area. How many records will store in the runtime of a web program?
Always single record.
Always single record. To store single record. Okay. Now, how to write the select statement here? Select single star from Mara into work area underscore Mara. If SY sub RC equal to 0, write statement. One record found. Now, what this line number 27 will do? What is meaning of star? What is the meaning of the star? Star means all the records or all the fields?
Yeah, all the
More.
fields,
All the
all
fields. Now how many records it will brings from Mara table and put into work area underscore Mara?
All the records, sir.
one record only. So,
Only one record only, always.
Single star.
Single star. Not only because of single star, because of into work area, right? Work area means single record only, always. Work area always brings single record from the database table into work area. So what is 30, 40 here? Line number 30, line number 30. What is this 30 and 40?
characters,
Uh,
length, how much length it's going to take.
no. What is this 30, 40? Anyone can think and tell me? All of you. What is 30 and 40?
The line spaces.
Line space from where to where?
0 to
Can,
30 and 32.
no. 30 means exact what 30, from where to 30. 30 characters length space from left side you take of the output or right side?
Left side.
Left side. This is a concept actually. If I execute now, I'll put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Right now, one record is got. How do you know one record is got? As well as suburbs is 0 here. Double click here. How many records are there now in W underscore Mara? How many records are there in W underscore Mara? Hello? How many records now here currently? You see?
I cannot see any records. Screen got stuck or what?
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's like,
Do you don't see debugger? My screen? No, debugger.
yeah, above the screen I can see. Structure Mara, work area Mara, I can see that one only, right?
Now you don't see any data?
No, I don't see any data.
Now? Check it in WhatsApp. Do you want to see that screen or not? Check it in WhatsApp. Can you see like this or not?
Now it's visible, sir.
Now visible. Maybe it's not. Now tell me here, W underscore Mara is containing how many records?
Only one record. And it
Correct.
contains
Correct. So only one record only, but number of fields different, right? Yeah.
many fields are there.
Many fields are there. It's not a number of records here in this case. Only one record only. Right? Why it is one record? Because it is a work area. Work area concept is single record. Now if we execute here, this is the record. Material number, material type. Okay, remaining fields you don't have the data. That's why you are not getting here. One record found. Right, one record found. If you want, you can go this one as a next line here. Go to here, slash. Right now, this will go to next line here. Execute. One record found. This is the material number. That length I am giving right here, 30 and 40. This is 30 characters. Material type. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, like that. 30 characters. Then value. Again, I give 40. This 40 means from left side 40. 40 characters will count internally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. This is the concept. Okay. Any questions here? IT underscore Mara type. Now what is the IT underscore Mara? Right? To store more than one record in the output. It is internal table to store more than one record in the runtime of a program. Now, how do you write that select statement? To get one record in the database table into work. Now, what this line number 40 will do? Now, how many records will bring into the table?
All the records.
All the records, right? Star means all the fields now. Okay.
All the fields.
So, how do you find if S5 sub or C equal to 0? Write number of records. Right? What this line number 44 will do? What is the S5 DBCNT? Now tell me, by seeing the definition, tell me that. What will the DBC entity will hold? Now what number it will print if I execute this one? If I execute this, what will be the 44 line output? Forty-four line will print what output it will print.
Total number of records in Mara table.
So all the records from the Mora table. Check it in Mora table, how many records are there? Go to here. How many records are there in Mora table? You see my screen? How many are there?
3,700.
3,799. Right? If you go back to here. So 3,799 should bring. Right? Number of records fetched from the database is 3,799. Right? It's correct or not? How this 3 dot is coming instead of comma? Thousands operator, right? Why it is coming 3.799? Anyone can think and tell me?
You can change it in the settings, but I don't know.
Correct. You are right. You are right. Because so this weight I think very important sometimes so, right? Where is that settings? User settings, right? Go to here. Or if you have the access for SU09. SU01. So SU01 here. Right? ABAP test. Click on display here. Right? Defaults. Do you see the defaults here? Decimal notation. What you see? Dot or comma? Think and tell me. Sorry, not a decimal notation. Thousands operator here. This thousands operator is dot or comma. Here, see the screen here. What is it saying as a thousands operator? Is it saying it as a zero? Sorry, dot or comma?
Dot.
Dot. So you can change it to comma. Go to change mode. Go to here. Make it to comma. This one. Save it. Right? Now execute your program. And go to the program back. I don't know. Maybe Raghu and Chari, you might have observed this one many times.
Yes, sir.
So this is through settings only. Now if I execute, still it is showing us 3 dot only. Not comma is not yet came. Think of what I should do.
Log
Think
off
1 minute.
control.
Log off and done. Correct. This I don't know. Sometime back when we were working in the projects, we thought it will affect immediately. Back. Let's see 38 now. Go to program. Execute. Do you see now comma came or not? 3 comma. Right? Do you see now comma came? Position separator. Hello? What you see? You see no comma or dot?
Comma.
Comma. This is done, right? Because we have changed the settings here. Now let's move on. Right? Now if I put a breakpoint here, stop, execute. F6, 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 F6. Right? ID underscore Mara. Now see my right side, the debugger. I am a debugger. Debug. In IT underscore Mara, what is the meaning of 0 there? Then the brackets 0 is there, right? What that 0 meaning? How many records are there currently in IT underscore Mara?
One only, sir.
Hmm.
One only, right?
No, as of now. As of now, line number 40 is their control. How many records are there in IT underscore Mara as of now?
Three thousand 799.
As of now, select statement is not executed. See my
Zero.
arrow. Zero
Zero.
records, right? 0 means 0 records. What is the 313? What is the 313?
Fields or size?
Fields. Fields. You can check it in Mara table. Go to Mara table. Click on display. Okay. Number of records. Sorry. How many fields you can see here in my screen? Do you see 1/362?
362. Yeah.
So 362 fields are there. That's why 362 has not came here. 352 only. 313 only. The fields has come. What the reason? No, I don't know. Not came all the fields. Huh? Okay, no problem. We can see that later. But this is number of fields it will store information. What is 4720? What is 4720? Four seven two zero is the number of bytes. Number of memory byte space. If I double click here, this is the internal table, how it looks in the debugger. Right? Do you observe difference between Workarea underscore Mara and IT underscore Mara, how it looks? Right? Workarea underscore Mara, it looks only as a single column, I mean, record to store. This, if you see, right, it works, it shows as row wise, right? Because more than one record. See here, Workarea underscore Mara, I show you in debug mode. Do you see if I double click here, how it looks? One record. See the how it looks, right? Now after this statement, where is my control now? See the arrow. Where is my control? Arrow symbol.
If sub r c equal to 0.
What is the now? Where is the control? In which line number control?
Agree.
43. How many records are there in IT underscore Mara now? See the number and tell me here.
3000.
3799. You can see 3799 or not here. Go to here. Go to contents, number of entries. 3799, correct or not? It's matching, right? Now if I go to here, double click here, go to number of records here. Do you see 3799 rows or not? Number of rows. Do you see 3799 or not? Right?
Yes, sir.
So this many records it is bought. So one record, multiple records. Now what is MATN or MTRT, MATK, MEANS? What is this? Line number 42. What is MATN or MTRT, MATK, MEANS?
Field names.
Number of field names. How many fields I'm selecting?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. So is become true or false?
Is comma required between?
Comma not required here. HANA it is required in the last topic. Comma not required. Now tell me, this will work correct or not? Any problem? Why this error is coming? Think and tell me. Why this error is coming?
It's not a data type. What we enter?
Which one, Raghu?
MATKL.
The field name. Field name. Mathematical is field name in Mara table. Material group. Material group. You can double click here. Click on S. MATKL. What the MATKL see here?
Material group.
Material group here. Now why this error is coming? Think and tell me. Think and tell me why this error is coming. What is your IT underscore Mara? How many fields it can store? IT underscore Mara. Here. All the fields from Mara table, right? But you are taking only 4 fields. It is a mismatching. Hence that error is coming. You can make it here into corresponding fields of table. Now it will execute perfectly. It checks what fields the data is required. Activate. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute.
So corresponding fields means it will take MARC table also.
No, no, no. Only it will match what fields are available in the IT underscore Mara in the this 4 fields what you are mentioning. It compares with the name of the fields. IT underscore Mara, you are having a MATNR, MTRT, right? MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MEANS. So these three fields only will compare the name of the fields. For that fields only data will come. Now see if we go to 18 underscore Mara, right? It has the brought the data only for those fields. MATNR, MATNR, MTRT, MATKL, MEANS. Only those four fields data will bring. It's the concept. Any questions here? I'll give a small break. 1 minute. I'll stop recording.